Ladies and gentlemen, welcome one, welcome all. Yours truly, Maponga J, right here in Southern Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, you are all cordially invited to come and attend with us with the Ubuntu Awakening Summit, which will be held in Kingston, Jamaica 2024. Ubuntu Awakening Summit to be held in Kingston, Jamaica from the 5th to the 10th of February 2024. The purpose of this summit, it is to revisit the transatlantic slave triangle. And within this program, we intend to do some empowerment, some education, healing spaces, honoring also those stalwarts that have gone ahead of us. And it's also we're discussing, few papers are being presented on how to fix Africa. And the transatlantic conversation between the Caribbean and Africa is long overdue, because we need to reduce not only the academic distance, we also need to reduce the political distance, the cultural distance, and even possible create new routes for flights between Africa and the Caribbean. I mean, during slave trade, it was a straight route. Now you must go via Europe to come down westing and spending lots of money. So Africa and Caribbean, we need to start talking. Then education-wise, we can share notes, agriculture, imports and exports, tourism,